Hello, iTunes, and in today's video, I'll be hosting a hide and seek, and these are all the contestants.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so
My name is Illusionary.
Okay,
My name is
how
Illusionary.
this is gonna work
My name is Brolin.
is
I'm
that
popular
they're
now.
all gonna hide, and then I'm gonna try to find them without you using any of this stuff or anything. I do get a grappler, but the rule is no glitching out, like no glitching out of the map spots. You have to be like actually in the map. You have to be in the map. And then
Wait, I have a question.
So we can hide anywhere.
and then the last person I find, I mean the first person I find, is kicked. And then no. So if you get, all you need to worry about is just try not to get found first, because the only person that gets kicked, the one that gets found first, and then the seekers is the last one found. So without further ado, let's get started. Lobby and shop. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna give you 5 minutes to hide. Okay. I'm gonna do 3 seconds.
Are you gonna go?
30 seconds remaining. 30. Nine, 8, 7. Alright, I'm finding them. If I were...
No, it's like, please.
The first person is found.
My real name is Avant, and my name is Illusionary. Bammy. I had to
Do you
say
have any
goodbye.
last words?
I love your viewers, and I hope you become successful.
Somebody
Thank you, Bear.
Bye, guys.
Landon
Bye.
left.
Alright, 1 player is found. Alright, now just 2 more.
Sorry about my name.
This kid.
It's like a 1v1 when we're filming stuff.
Bro, is anybody in Creative Studios?
I don't think so. No one is in.
One eternity later.
Do I see you? All right.
Wallet.
Okay, chub your snail.
I'm a wallet. I'm
Chub
not
your snail.
I'm not. Bro, I'm not a person. I'm a wallet.
What?
Chub your snail. You win. I found the other person. Crap, I ran out.
Like over here.
Right. I hit
Right
right
here.
here. Yeah, right here. I was just chilling
Oh,
like
I
this.
literally
To be-
came
wait.
like right here. I came like right here.
I know. I heard you. I was like, oh shit.
All right, that was round 1. But here,
Yo, what?
His
Round
headset's
what?
about to die. Yeah,
That
he
was
said that
round-
on he said that on the thing.
oh, his headset's about to die.
That was
Yeah.
one of. No, I'm charging it right now. I'm just sitting down, so I might be slower.
Okay.
If I hanged on a bit longer, his headset would have died and I would have won.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like if no one said we were in stage 5.
But you're the new seeker.
Wait, were you actually in stage 5?
Start the timer, bro. Start the timer.
Wait, how long do I have to?
Do like 3 minutes.
What if my goofy eye becomes tiny and gets
How
inside
long
the dumpster?
do I have to find out?
We glitch inside the dumpster.
I mean, I just said no going out of the map. So that doesn't
It's not out of the
mean-
map.
Yeah, this is just like inside something.
Oh, I know how to get in. I know how to get in.
Alright, I'm in here. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know, glitching inside stuff, doesn't count. So you can glitch inside stuff, but you just can't go, like, oh, bro,
So you
that
can go
way's
inside of stuff.
that way's patched.
So you can go inside of stuff.
You can like go inside of items, but you just can't go outside the map.
Okay. Okay.
So you might have to glitch in some stuff.
Does anybody have a tele thing? Can somebody give me a teleport?
This is such a good spot.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Wait, but where are you?
What?
Shh.
Here, wait, Frost. Wait, 1 sec.
I see. Go to channel 9. There?
Bro, if we're on a different channel than the Seeker, then we won't know where he is on the map thing, on our watch.
Are you seeking?
No.
When do y'all have to give me a hint?
When I say so.
Okay.
Which, like, in a minute. That's gonna be, like, in a minute.
Alright. Wait, what?
By you. Yo. Oh Lord, he's long too.
I'm right by you.
Is he lying?
Are you lying to me? I'm not even close to you.
Yo, I know you're in there. How do I glitch in them? The glitch doesn't even work anymore.
That's it.
Oh.
I win.
Yeah, I guess you win. I was inside of this thingy, and then
Oh yeah, the OG one that we were thinking of going in.
yeah, and I was in there. He went right inside of here to check. Like I was right there. He was right here, and then he tried to glitch into this crate, which would be good. I was thinking about going.
Except
in
there's
some-
not that much height for you to hide. I
Yeah.
don't know why he would do that though.
I mean, let me see if I can do it. Yeah, there's not really that. Alright, guys, that's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give a shout out to K-Mock.
I don't got one. But yeah.
Yeah, give a shout out to him.
I
He won.
might try to make a YouTube channel, which will be Grummet with 3 M's.
But anyways, see you in the next video, and melt. Bye.